What's up, guys? I have X6M F86 and I don't like the view of the stock arches, so I decided to change them for the look of the Haman style, and I found them on eBay. I will send the link below. They are like PP plastic, it's not FRP, it's very quality. So I already installed one. Let me show you. So here's the first one. I will show you the comparison between the stock ones, and this is a wider, so I think it's about an inch wider. The fitment pretty much good, of course not like super precise like OEM, but I don't see like big problems with that. And the guy did a really good job who painted me this. This is very similar color, it's Long Beach Blue X6M. What I did already, I installed here. I'm gonna put here the mud flap, carbon mud flap, so I didn't install this rivets. I will use probably one hole, and I'll put also ceramic coating on that because my car is ceramic coated fully. It's like maximum 8 years ceramic coating by Ceramic Conmigo. Also, when I dismantle this wheel, I put the ceramic coating on my caliper, and I have brand new wheels. This is AC Schnitzer wheels, 22 inches, and I think they look a little bit small, and I ordered 23 inches with 315 front and the rear. And here are the comparison also with the arches. I'm gonna put all the rest three, and this is stock one. So as you can see, the front and the rear will be wider. So I checked, like probably it's about like maybe in millimeters it will be like 2 centimeters or like 15 millimeters wider, which I like. And here is a stock one. As you can see, it's flat. Even the wheel is a little bit out, maybe like flush, but here is already in. But my new wheels will be, I consider this additional extension of the wider arches, so I put the offset comparing to this one extra, I think 20 millimeters as I remember. And the rear I did maximum, so probably I'll use some spacers because it's monoblock. And I checked the rears a little bit wider than the fronts. Now I'm going to check the rear. There should be some trick. Here are two clamps inside. These rivets are pretty much like you will, once you will start to remove them, you will get used to the method. So the method is, I use first this sponge. I put this sponge in the, so they look like it's not possible to use them, so need to buy new. I use this sponge first to put in the rivet like this, and use a hammer. Then I use this tool to pry a little bit, and use it together, like one hand prying, the other hand is punching, pushing inside. And then I use sometimes I use this one, so it's like more stronger. Continue pushing with that, so it goes inside and moves out. Here's ceramic coating which I use, then a Pro. This is especially for the wheels. These mud flaps I'm gonna install, will be there. So because there are a lot of stones coming, as you can see, there is all inside the fenders and coming here. And I'm waiting for my side skirts, and also this is like, it looks like lowered, and I have KW going to be installed on March 3rd, so I will keep updated. So I did 3 Fender flares. 1, 2, you can see the back is really wide, so I think it's like extra 2 inches or something like that. And I'm mocking my wheel. It's really like big and wide, so I'm gonna show you right now. So here's 23-inch comparing to 22. This is 11.5 wide width, and the offset I made ET plus 20. I think it should be good. Right now it's like flush, but once the suspension will go up, plus I'll have a KW lowering, so I think the 5mm wheel will go inside, but now it's pretty much flush. The tires I'll use 315 in the front and 315 in the back. 23 Pirellis I found on the good website United Tires. I recommend it. It's really nice, like who's looking for the best deals on the used ones. I bought these 30 pieces, but unfortunately it's not enough, so I'm gonna order again. So if you're gonna change the flares, I recommend to order 2 packs of that, so you will have enough of them, because here I have 7, and I'm gonna like leave one, I think probably here, so later I will just lift up the rear wheel, it will go down, and I can put it inside with a tool, so I will not need to take off the wheel. Look how much dirt is coming inside. Also, I'm not putting here because I'm gonna use the flares, I mean the muds. Also, I was a little bit cautious and worrying about this because it's 11.5, but here's, I think it's enough of space, so my fingers easily go inside. This is dark brush color. I thought about difference, I mean like to put gloss black or dark brush, so finally I chose dark brush. It's more fancy, I think. Look, I like the design. So the last fender flare is here, going to the back. So this is front, one installed, and I was also waiting for my side skirts, so there will be another side skirt sets. 3D design, 1-on-1 weave, it's like smaller weave, and this is a look from the back.